Changing out these hub brakes on a boat trailer. Popped off the wheel, torque wrench. Oh yeah, 3/4 inch for the wheel. We had some spacers for the fenders. Oh yeah. Took those off, here we are, here's the hub brakes. Popping off this little middle. Oh yeah. Got a Carter pin keeping in this nut. Straighten out the Carter pin, pull out the Carter pin. Make this straight. He's straight enough to pull out. Oh yeah, we fought that one.
This is stuck.
Spin that nut on.
Dude, why is it stuck?
Give her a little, oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah, spin this baby off once you can. Coming off easy with the channels. Oh yeah.
It's fine on the inside.
Oh yeah, pull that nut off. This thing slides right off. Oh yeah. Placing this whole thing. Also went ahead and took the bearing out of here and clean it up because this old grease. We're gonna re-grease it, clean it up. PB blasted a bunch of the bolts here. These are the 4 main mounting bolts. I went ahead and disconnected here. A little too hard for me right here, so I'll end up disconnecting that main line once I take this whole body off. And now I'm gonna remove these 4 bolts, and this whole thing should come right off the trailer. Slide right on forward. All right, came off pretty easy. This side has 2 on top. Man, you can tell these are original. They're painted over the color, unless they repainted this or something, but go ahead and take all 4 mounting bolts off. Mine are coming off pretty easy. You might have to hold one side. We're taking up the nut. Here's the 4 mounting bolts. Pretty beat up. Probably end up cleaning these up, greasing them. But now that they're off, this should just come right off. As it does. I'm gonna be removing this line, put it on the new one, then reconnecting it all. So yeah, here's the old one. Clean up these areas, get the old grease off, make room for the new grease. Got the other line, or the line back on this new one. Alright. Oh yeah. Placing it in. We're gonna get these bolts in.
Other way.
Set these 4 in and then tighten them down. A little Loctite on all of them. I'm gonna tighten these down now, all 4. All tightened down hard. Nice and tight. Oh yeah, all 4. Went ahead and wiped all the old grease out of this. I'm gonna re-grease the bearings. These are new bearings from last summer, so we're not replacing them. And they seem to be good still, so. While he's greasing the bearing, I'm greasing up this shaft here. We're just caking it, fuck it, you know? Don't make it too crazy, but yeah. So we're gonna slide this back on, nice and greased up. Slide it right back over.
I don't know why, but I think we put this on.
Went ahead and took the bearing off
there we
actually
go.
to slide this over. Now we put the bearing back in. Time to put the castle nut on and the Carter pin back in. Scrub getting that action.
Trying to catch the threads, but it's not.
Oh, it's backwards.
Oh, is it?
Oh yeah. There she goes. Oh yeah. There we go. Alright, you got that hand tight on there as tight as you could. Carter pin is right there in position. Put your carter pin in. We're also gonna bleed these brake lines. Got a pan under here. Putting in new fluid. I know the system probably needs a much better clean, but we're actually gonna disconnect the other line as well. We're adding fluid in here. And if you just stick it right here, this is the actuator for it. As you can see, it's got an area. It pushes this and it pumps it every time the trailer hits the back of the truck or whatever you're towing with. Oh yeah.
I'm glad that works, because at least we know the actuator's still good.
So this is the easy way to do it. You're not damaging anything. You can just push the actuator over and over like this. Pump the old fluid out. As you can see, it's lowering and getting all that bad fluid out. And we're just gonna do this for a while until we get better fluid. Yep, look at all that. Ooh. So yeah, we're gonna do this till it's nice and good. Oh yeah, coming out pretty clear now. Oh yeah, that's good. In the process, we're always keeping this nice and topped off. Don't want to let air get pumped into the system. Always keeping fluid on top. So we bled those. Got a carter pin back in there. We're gonna bend it, pop this cap back on, and that's the end of this. Get your wheel back on. And we got a spacer, so put our spacer on and then our wheel. But that's it. Easy as that. Do the same thing to the other side. Make sure you put the left and right hubs on the right spot. Probably won't fit if you didn't. Well, they do because they're mounting, but make sure they're correct. Carter pin's bent in. Go ahead and knock this back in. Cover. Tap it in. Nothing too hard. Cap sits nicely. And this honestly has a pretty good spin on it. Otherwise you could adjust it in the back. Has a little nice turn gear on the bottom. Yeah. For reference, if this one had one, it would be right here. And you'd stick a little flathead through. You could be able to push the gears and tighten it or untighten